Good morning, it's Chris here in Visalia on a rainy day, and as you can see the rain gutters. Most of the time on these commercial buildings, they need to be serviced at least once a year because they will definitely leak inside of these buildings and cause quite a bit of damage to the drywall and to the inner structure of the roof. Give us a call here for rain gutter cleaning. Our guys are fully equipped. Everybody comes with their rain gear, right? And all of the ladders and professional equipment that we need to get up on the roof to assess whether the gutters are clogged. A lot of times it's something as simple as the downspout. Someone throws a bottle or a boot or something and it clogs that downspout and it traps all of the water on these flat roofs, and it can cause quite a bit of damage. Give us a call here. We do windows and we'll take care of your project.